Here's the forecast. So, flurries or rain showers Monday night here. Still periods of wet snow and rain ending late this morning. Still low-wise 2 centimeters, so it's did a little bit of showers earlier. And yeah. We have this here. Wednesday, snow or rain, and then showers. Possible showers from Wednesday night onward until Friday. And then a mixture Friday night and Saturday. Yeah. There's that forecast, and here's the weather next. So, here's the weather next. So they suggest the cool down should start up this weekend, so it's safe to say that Environment Canada is still far out from this possible cold, this Arctic, back to that Arctic trend again. Far from it, so yeah. But before all that starts up, we got a nice little bit of rain on Saturday here. Oh, come on, just go away. And yeah. And then afterwards, it's not really much. So the forecast is pretty plain overall. Hey guys, go. I'll see you guys sometime later today. Here's the 4 o'clock update. Mixture possible tonight. Chance of flurries early tomorrow morning. Then there's those flurries and rain showers beginning early in the evening tomorrow. 2 centimeters of snowfall possible. Yeah, that's all it's changed. Yeah. Starts up at 1. Changes over to a chance of flurries at 4. Ends at 7. There you guys go. I'll see you guys later tonight or tomorrow morning. One of the two. Okay, so here's the new forecast. So, nothing for Tuesday now, but snow beginning early in the evening and ending before morning Monday night. Now it's 2 to 4 centimeters and no longer rain showers, flurries and rain showers. And then this is where it's all changed. Christ. Really adds to this shitty day that it is. You know what January 26th is? If you know what January 26th is, you know what I'm talking about, why today's been shitty. If you don't, look up January 26th, 2020. Don't search anything more up, don't add anything to it. Just search that up. And then you know why today's been shitty. Anyways, Wednesday now is just periods of snow or rain. It says snow or rain. Wednesday night's nothing. Thursday is just showers. Friday and Saturday have warmed up and showers, but a mixture Friday night. Though do remember this potential second cold snap is not expected until next week. So yeah, there's still until like Sunday night, even like Sunday night, Monday. So, but models are hinting that this is a very good possibility that we will hit another cold trend, but nowhere near mid-January Arctic shit. Never. We're not. No. But we are talking minus teens again, though not minus 20s. like we're talking like high minus teens, as in like no, high minus teens meaning no, low minus teens, as in minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. No, minus 13, minus 14. That just low. Just below minus 15. Let's just go with that. Make it easier. And then highs are pretty, just below average, but kind of like, it's kind of like just flip this, like instead of 6, minus 6, instead of 5, minus 5. That kind of thing. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys in the morning. Here's the weather I was forecasting, so by the calendars. It's not changed much at all. I'll show you guys 11 or 4 o'clock ones from them. But yeah. So we got mixture, showers, cools down, and then we get snow, mixture, snow. And there's a brief warm up once again, and then it gets back cold again. A brief warm up, and then it cools back down. But yeah, that's all really. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys sometime later. Here is the radar here. So nothing happening yet. I should check outside though, just to be sure, since I came over. I'll quickly show you guys the 4 p.m. update though. Nothing much has changed from it, which is why I haven't decided to bring up anything until 10 o'clock at night. But yeah, decent round of precipitation is expected to arrive. Here you can see. I say precipitation because it is snowing in Penticton. I mean, raining in Penticton is 4.2 degrees, while the last time I checked it was 3.2 degrees here, while it's 3.7 there. I'm not too sure, but one way or another, it's only about a degree-ish difference. So, one way or another, it's a lot warmer than what's forecasted. Yeah, here's just a quick look here, 3 o'clock here. Oh no, now it's 2 degrees, okay. So we're dropping quite a bit, but I mean, if we go to Penticton here, which is a little bit to our south, it's not a good comparison anymore. When it's close, I get a good idea, but yeah. One way or another, though, we should be at 1 degree right now, but we're not touching anywhere near it just yet. But yeah, nothing much really happening. I might provide you guys with an update later tonight, if I need to, but other than that, there you guys go. See you guys sometime in the near future. Alright, so here's the forecast now. New one came out. Somehow still snow. 1 degree now is the low. Now it's snow beginning late this evening and ending before morning. Now it's 2 centimeters. So yeah. Wednesday hasn't changed too much. Now we're looking at a big change here. So we got now periods of rain. We got periods of rain Thursday night and Saturday, and rain on Friday. And there's now a bigger temperature gradient between Saturday and Sunday, which is that cool down we were talking about. That's expected. Modest cool down, as in more to more seasonal, to below, just a bit below normal. Kind of like steady, like minuses, like just hovering below 0, kind of like -1, -2 kind of thing as highs, and then lows are kind of like around -10, no colder than -12. It's kind of like modified Arctic area, like, that's expected to come down. It's not gonna be as cold stuff, but one way or another. But yeah, light snow still seen here. Radar, I don't know how it's changed yet. This band's coming in right now. I should probably check the webcams to be sure what's coming in. But yeah, a little bit of a change, especially with this weekend. And yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Nice as oil. Oh God. Some bloody skating rink. Definitely not as bad as yesterday. Didn't show you guys that, but God, it's definitely 2 times icier yesterday over today. But definitely a lot more areas where there's that would have been bad. I'm cool if it's just snow, but if it's gonna be ice, I have an issue. It's gonna be a big issue. See you guys later today. It's not gonna get any icier. So here is the forecast. So I wasn't able to show you guys the forecast this morning. Got up late and I had to quickly rush to school. So here it is now, the 4 o'clock update. We have snow tomorrow morning, changing to rain in the afternoon. Yep. And then chances of showers then to a mixture Wednesday night to Thursday. Clearing in the evening, Wednesday night though. Still periods of rain and rain Thursday night and Friday. Switching over to chance of showers Friday night, then periods of rain on Saturday. And then that's where the cool down starts up. Mixture Saturday night and Sunday. Sunday night we finally, out of all these days, finally a chance of just casual flurries. And then, yeah. Then Monday, you can see with Sunday and Monday, it's a little bit of a cool down, but still above freezing. And then the weather network's update. I don't know how that's looking now. When I last checked, it was not too bad. I haven't opened it forever, so this should take some time. Yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, and it's nice and smooth. Okay. Mixtures. Wednesday here. We got rain on Friday. Then we got more rain on Saturday here. Snow on Sunday. Cooling down quite a bit on Monday here, but definitely a lot colder than what's forecast by Canada. So, interesting. Flurries Tuesday and Wednesday here. And then mixture on Thursday, maybe showers. Friday, wet snow more so. Snow on Sunday, snow on Monday, snow on Tuesday. Overall, we start heading back to a more not as mild trend. A cool trend, but not mild, but not cold. It's cool. Kind of temperatures just hovering around freezing, generally between -3 and 3 degrees and 2 degrees. No, -2 and 2 degrees. Kind of around there. But yeah. There you guys go, nothing's happening tonight, so I'll probably see you guys tomorrow morning. Yep. Here's the forecast. Tons of rain on Thursday and Friday and Saturday as well. And then it chills out a little bit. Decent amount of rain on Friday. A little bit there on Saturday. Quite a bit on Tuesday here, close to 10. Overall, quite a bit of snow forecasted. It's looking nice. There you guys go. I will see you guys later today sometime. It's been an interesting day for precipitation, especially right now, more so. Oh yeah, here's how the back looks. Oh yeah, let's just take a walk on the grass here for the first time in months. Yeah, it's kind of just getting a very light drizzle. Very light. Yeah, it's definitely changed quite a bit. Actually looked a little bit more interesting heading home, but then checking the radar now, looks like shit. But yeah, I'll see you guys with the new 4 o'clock update in just a little bit. So here's the 4 o'clock forecast. I'll show you guys the radar as well. So no longer rain anywhere possible anymore. Now it's just a 60% chance of rain possible Thursday night and Friday, and then showers on Friday night and Saturday, and then that cold front swings in, bringing down the cooler temperatures and, well, more slightly below normal temperatures and chance of flurries. Whew. Yeah. Saturday should be interesting though. The cold front's definitely looking not too shabby, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, that's all that's really changed. And here's the radar as well. This is on the snow one. This is where it looked initially interesting. This is where it initially looked interesting, right about here. That's where it looked interesting, but then I checked the radar and then it just looked like this crap. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys in the morning. I mean, not the morning. Either later tonight or tomorrow morning. Yep. Here's the forecast. Environment Canada's isn't much different from the 4 o'clock one, so yesterday, so I'm not gonna bother showing it. But here's the Weather Networks. Oh, Jesus. Close to 5 millimeters Friday here. Oh my god. Oh, then it pops that one open. Nice. Oh, I hate this new update they made. It's so bad. It's pretty windy. Especially for Friday, if you look at this one here as well. Huh. Interesting. And then it cools down and it's just snow. Especially Tuesday here. I did apparently. Oh, yeah, there's Tuesday. Oh, don't. Okay. Now close to 5 there. But yeah. That's basically it. There you guys go. I'll see you guys later today sometime. New forecast is out. I'm definitely saying it's looking pretty exciting here. So, no longer any periods of rain possible. Now it's just a 60% chance of wet flurries or rain showers starting overnight and continuing in the morning. On Saturday now, this is where it gets interesting. 7 degrees, but we got periods of rain or snow possible and windy. And then a 6% chance of snow Saturday night. And then it cools down quite a bit, and then we got some chances of flurries early mid next week. Conveniently enough, this is all happening on the weekend, so I'm liking that. I like that. And yeah. This is the more interesting part, this part specifically, but this part here. But yeah. Chance of wet flurries and rain showers starts at midnight and continues until 7 a.m., switching over to showers at 8 and ending at 11. Yeah. I'm liking it. I'm liking this. There you guys go. I will see you guys later tonight or tomorrow morning. Here's the forecast. Currently raining right now. I gotta do this quick. Periods of rain tomorrow beginning early in the morning, switching over to rain mixed with snow late in the afternoon as the temperatures fall to +1, from 7 to +1 in the afternoon. 5 to 10 millimeters of rainfall. Winds will gust up to 40 km. Still a 6% chance of snow Saturday night. Still pretty cold temperatures. Steady warm up ensues with chance of flurries possible Tuesday night to Wednesday night, switching over to a chance of mixture on Thursday. Yeah. I got on the radar right now. Yeah, this is the rainfall one, so. Yeah, I'll be just right back. Alright, I'm back. So here's the weather forecast. So tomorrow we got, that. There. And chance of flurries on Sunday. Snow on Tuesday here. Close to 5 centimeters. Most of it all happening during the nighttime hours. Mixture on Wednesday. Decent. More so rain on Thursday here. Mixture on Friday, cooling down quite a bit, then more snow. Yeah. Interesting. There you guys go, though. I will see you guys later today sometime. Alright, we gotta make this quick. It's windy. It's starting to get windy outside. I'd say probably gusts more 50 to 60 km right now outside. Still relatively the same forecast as yesterday for today. Cooler temperatures though for the nighttime and just overall. And then now Tuesday we got snow all of Tuesday, and then snow or rain on Wednesday, and then chance of flurries Wednesday night, and a mixture Thursday till Friday, with temperatures steadily rising. So yeah, just got a notification about a game. Yeah, and the winds aren't supposed to start till this afternoon, which is why, till noon, which is why I'm not prepared. Yeah. So there's the one, the Environment Mechanics forecast. Let's quickly take a peek at the radar here. Not much really. Here's the weather next forecast. Sweet. So we got a chance of flurries Sunday. Then we got a decent amount of snow possible on Tuesday here, top one. Actually, I pressed 2. Good mixture on Wednesday, and then another mixture on Thursday. And then it cools down a bit again with good amounts of snow. Just good light to moderate amounts of snow. Moderate amounts meaning about 2 to 4. I mean, even that's light if you go like 2 to 3 centimeters, that kind of idea. But yeah, there you guys go. It is windy outside. I will see you guys outside. in just a little bit. Yep. Oh shit. I was listening to the winds, hearing it in the trees, just slowly making its way in. Flag wasn't even going much. Let's see what this does. Oh shit. Whoa. Yeah, see, I don't know if it's just me or they just really elevated the gusts. Look at that. Wow. Like, I would say these, like, I would say like the 5-meter wind gusts are ridiculous, but the surface ones aren't that bad yet. They haven't really surfaced that well yet. But really, like, I'd say the 5 to 10 meter winds are definitely like 3 times stronger. I don't know, I'm still not keen that's worth going to the parking lot down there. I'm watching the trees down there. There's little mini trees down there. It doesn't seem like much. Though they are coming from the southwest, so it's a good possibility. It's still decent, but I'm going to be a little bit cautious and wait a little bit more on that. Yeah, I don't think we'll get anything convective, but I think we'll get some. I think the winds will be definitely hefty. It's going to kind of be like that Arctic front we got, where it's going to be kind of just there. It's just going to just start whipping out of the north. See what I mean? It's like, I'm not feeling it. Wow, gusts galore. Whoa. Cedars are shaking, but I'm not feeling any. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the winds are definitely kicking up now. Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna go out you over there, never mind. All of a sudden, a bunch of people down there. If there was a storm coming from that way, that'd be a different story. I'd still be running down there, but it's just winds, and I don't even think it's much different over there than down here. These winds are suddenly kind of like switching southwest south. You can see that. It's like a southwest south. Southwesterlies to southerlies. Jesus. One thing I really, these winds are very heightened. They're not getting much. Yeah. I really hope we can get something with these winds, like convective, weak storm or something. So I mean, like I said, I should probably actually check the, that car flying by, got the mist from it. Should really check the meso analysis to be sure, but even the slightest bit of instability with this cold front could really start setting off some little weak storms. Even if it's just like as simple as like a very, even if it's as simple as a weak pulse storm, I'll take it. It's gonna be now heightened winds because of the outflow from it. That's kind of what I'm going for right now, is winds over storms, but there we go, come on. These guys have been light so past a little while, but I think they're coming back. I think. Nope. Jeez. I mean, there's a lot of trees down there, so I'm not surprised it's loud, but holy shit. I'm tempted to head down here. Shit. I'm focusing down on the wrong end here. Crikey, man. Crikey, mate. Jesus. Trees are really going down there. It's definitely a place I might head to later in the afternoon if it's still going strong, which is a very good possibility. Oh shit. There we go. Holy. There we go. Now all the leaves are going through. There it is. Wow. Probably the most impressive gust I've seen this whole entire thing. Literally, it's probably the most impressive gust I've seen this whole entire time out here. At the surface. Right here. My god. That's, I'm not gonna lie, a little sad. Now it's maybe 50, 60 K there, maybe 60. Listen to it howling down to my east. Nothing happening here, and then turn around. We'll definitely know when the cold front is here when those winds start shifting. But for now, these are still associated with the height gradient, pressure gradient in the system, but not the cold front. That's still sitting along somewhere to our west and all around somewhere. So last time I checked, the cold front was kind of like curved. It was kind of like this, so like this and this. It was kind of like that. It was kind of curved at the southern part, which is where we will get most of our stuff from, so.
I know the leaves go down there. This has to be some of the weirdest start to February ever. We're gonna get getting balmy 12-degree weather, and then we're supposed to get a cold front, and we're getting good, strong winds now. It's very strange. Yeah, let's head in now. Recording just to be sure we're not gonna get absolutely whipped up from a wind gust and we're gonna miss it. Oh, that's where the sound's been coming from plus. Yeah. Completely forgot that thing makes a decent amount of noise. I mean, it's clear. Get some weak, quick instability build up, and we got ourselves a little nice threat. But it'll be interesting to see when this cold front comes in, if it's going to be anything significant or something. They really played off our Arctic front, and I mean those temperatures dropped how quick. Despite the fact they were only supposed to drop like slowly a couple degrees. Whoa. Literal leaf NATO right behind me. Oh wow, that was something. Just chill right here. It seems like the good gusts funnel right through here. Watch. Watch this. Holy shit. Jeez. It's like as if they funnel perfectly right through here. Look at this. I was heading in, but now the gusts are... I've just been realizing. Oh yeah. Jesus. Whoa. God. That's what I'm saying. They funnel through here like perfectly. I really wonder how these stronger gusts are gonna go. I never knew it was this strong down in this little corridor. Here's the radar. Some decent stuff happened up there, but it's weakened quite quick. But yeah, not really much pushing south. I mean, there's definitely been localized storms, isolated, weak, semi-discrete to embedded storms, but definitely nowhere near what was forecasted by Euro and all that. But definitely there, but not coming this way though. Oh, staying north of us as per usual. This is giving me bad vibes for later into the year, but hopefully it's just a feeling. It's still 9 degrees, even the cold front's passed through. Yeah, winds have died down quite significantly. I'll head out just to give a brief update, a little update out there, but yeah, I'll see you guys in just a little bit. It's definitely starting to feel colder now though. Maybe it's because the sun's behind the clouds and all that, but and then it's later in the day. But it's definitely getting colder. I can feel it. mind you, it's weird because the winds are coming more out of the west, southwest now, southwest west. So it's a little bit more straight on right with us. So the wind's coming out a little bit stronger. But all day since 9 o'clock in the morning, it's been windy. The highest wind speeds recorded at the airport, actually just recently, with 60-ish K gusts. Kind of depressing how we didn't get anything more than just some distant things here, but take what you can take, I guess. God, it is definitely getting colder. Maybe I might just be feeling warmer, but I'm definitely, it has to be getting colder. Feeling colder. Jesus. Sit down here, getting blocked off. The winds are getting blocked off by the van, so move right to here. Let's move up a little further. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, here we go. Christ. Here's the gust that I've been whistling in my windows. It's literally dust getting picked up and it's moist. Fuck. God. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it's literally dust getting picked up. My God. We're already at that time of the year, I guess. Want to move down the street here. Might want to. We'll see how the rest of these winds go. But we'll give it a bit. Oh. I believe someone's just... It's like a little jump for the leaves right here. My God. Mind you, during this time, the winds, just because of the moon and the time frame, the winds always get stronger during this time, no matter if it's windy or not. So, I'm pretty sure it's just getting enhanced. I'm very tempted to go down there, but we're gonna wait to see. I don't know if that's supposed to be. I don't know if that was just always unlatched. Not properly closed, but something's open up there. That thing whips back, that's... Perfect wind gust, that thing's gonna get whipped back and ripped off the hinges if the winds are strong enough. If that's the case. If that perfect gust, like straight from the west, occurs. I mean, just having that go back and forth itself, lightly, is weakening it. wicked wind there. Jesus. That wind came from all directions. Except my north. Jesus. Nah, man, that's not supposed to be open. I think it's gonna get so fucked. Oh, that's getting picked up. Bus. Nice. It's the first time I've actually seen that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, they're all back. What is going on? Jesus. Look at that. These winds are very shifty. Sometimes they're coming out of southeast, sometimes they're coming out in the west. It's like no real direction to these winds other than they're coming from this dude. From this side here. Seriously. Jesus. And plus all that sand from the sanding, obviously. Oh God. Got another big one coming. Jesus Christ. Winds are certainly a lot stronger than they were. Whoa! That was a punch in the face. Holy shit. Oh, whoa, that was a 70K there, bud. Holy shit. These ones are getting strong. Either that surface analysis is wrong, or we're just real, or it's, like I said, it's just because it's near the evening and that's typically our prime time for these wind kick-ups. Holy shit, here we go. Okay, we'll slowly make our way in. Camera's done, right hand's frozen. Any longer and I'm literally gonna freeze, even though whoa! Oh my god! What the fuck? Holy shit! What was that? That was interesting, Gus there.
Here's the 4 o'clock update. So, we have a 30% chance of rain showers or flurries early this evening. Let's see if we get, nope. This was the winds at 30, so that's a damn long time ago, but they were up to 60K. They're supposed to diminish to 20 to 40 early this evening, then become light after midnight, or near midnight, sorry. We got a 40% chance of flurries tomorrow night and Monday. But everything else is still the same. Yeah, that's it. Let's see the radar here real quick. Yeah, still some stuff going. Looks like they aren't really trying to migrate south, so I don't think that 30% chance is going to do much. There you guys go. I'll see you guys sometime later, maybe?
Here's what next forecast. I'm not going to show you guys Vine Mechanic still 11 o'clock update because it hasn't changed much. So we still have 5 to 10 centimeters for Tuesday here. Still decent mixture on Wednesday here. Snow changing to rain. Another decent mixture on Thursday, but with more so rain than snow. Once again, another decent mixture on Friday, more so snow than rain. Snow on Saturday, and then cools down significantly again with a decent amount of snow here on Tuesday, and then a little bit of snow here on Sunday at the end of the 14-day period. It's pretty decent overall, but okay, and then there is, oh yeah, -7. It is 9:50 though, so that's luck way it shows out. So you got down to -7 tonight. Last night, that's colder than it was at this time here. But yeah, I'll start to show you guys the past conditions here. So it's pretty warm yesterday, up to 9.4 degrees. There was potentially a maximum wind speed record broken, a maximum wind gust record broken, and a minimum relative humidity record broken. Potentially. I'll have to check that out and show you guys that at the 11 o'clock update, but yeah. There you guys go. Oh. We'll see you guys 11 o'clock update.
Here's the 11 o'clock update. Not much really. Yeah, still flurries possible overnight tonight and early in the morning tomorrow. A little bit of a decent wind chill tomorrow, -9. Yeah. Still snow Tuesday and snow or rain Wednesday, and still chance of flurries Wednesday night. Then a mixture for Thursday through till Friday. Chance of a mixture Thursday through till Friday, 60%. And then another chance of flurries Friday night. And then Saturday is a little break. Yeah. But yeah, that's not really much different compared to the 4 p.m. one yesterday, so yeah. There you guys go. I might see you guys outside. I might see you guys with the 4 p.m. update. That will end the video. I'm not too sure yet, but one way or another, I'll see you guys sometime in the near future. Forgot to show you guys as well. It's official. New records were broken yesterday. The minimum relative humidity and maximum wind speed. New record is now 37% for the minimum relative humidity, and new maximum wind speed record is 42 kilometers an hour. As well, the wind gust record as well, 61 kilometers an hour. Maximum wind speed, maximum wind gust, minimum relative humidity. 3 records broken yesterday, and we were only 4/10ths of a degree off. 4/10ths of a degree off from being the maximum temperature record. 2/5ths of the way from breaking a maximum temperature record. Yeah. There you guys go. See you guys sometime in the near future. So, this is the new forecast. It's not any better. It's very slightly worse. More so just because now Tuesday disappears to snow instead of snow. But what is better though is now tomorrow we're supposed to get maybe gusts up to 40 km from the north, starting in the afternoon and ending in the evening. Well, becoming light in the evening. Doesn't matter. Same diff. Basically, what it means is ending. Yeah. That's all it's changed. Winds have been increased for Monday, and Tuesday's now gone from snow to periods of snow. Yeah. Chance of flurry starts up at 1 and ends at 8. Yeah. There you guys go. And that is it for the video. I will see you guys in the next video.